everybody. I just got this fried ice cream roller from VEVOR, and so I'm gonna open it up and check it out. It is summertime, and so I think this is gonna be a great addition to have for those summer kind of parties. And so I'm really excited. All right, it comes with an instruction manual, and it comes with 2 ice cream scrapers. These are beveled. You can see that right now. They're pretty heavy, so you can see they are pretty thick, pretty heavy. It's got a pretty nice length of cord, and it is also nice is that it has suction cups on the bottoms of its feet. When you put it down on the counter, it's going to suction cup there, and it's not going to move around while you work the ice cream. There's nothing on the back side here. It's just the power cord, and this power button. So once it's on, and then it'll start cooling off. So right there, I plugged it in, it lit up, and now it's running. You can hear the refrigerator running already. All right, so I cleaned this off. I cleaned my scrapers, and I've got my mixture here that I'm going to do. I have 2 parts cream, 1 part milk, and then I have blueberries in there. And they say to use 1 part fruit. All right, so I'm gonna pour this on here now. These were frozen blueberries, but I don't think that matters. Takes a little bit to push on this. They do scrape up pretty easy. And these scrapers are not straight across. They have a diagonal slope to them, and I believe that helps with the curling of them. All right. Well, I think that's how it's supposed to look. Man, that curled up. I got some rolls. It's going to take a little bit of practice, I think, to get everything right, but man, that turned out just as I expected it would. So pretty excited to try it out and see what my kids think.